So guys, I just called at my farm to see how things are going with the animals, and honestly the workers are doing an amazing work with the animals. I'm expecting some of my sows to farrow. About one is going to farrow before this month ends, and then the other is going to farrow by the end of next month. I'm going to show you the sow and get to show you how other things are going in the farm. One of the things I always advise my farmers is to site their farm far away from residential areas, so that you can comfortably manage your farming activities without being bothered with sanctions and other factors. So guys, you can message me through WhatsApp 080-588-11642 if you want to make inquiries on any aspect of the pig farming industry. I'm always free and available to message you guys. I just came around the farm to see how things are going. Let me show you the sow. First of all, this is not the sow. These are my winners. I win them. They are growing more like growers, and they are doing very, very well and effectively fine. I'm going to show you another one. I have different sets. Like I always say previously, I have different farms. I have the open litters, the one, and also the much more enclosed section. Okay guys, so this is another sow. This is a sow I'm expecting to farrow. It is going to farrow, I don't know when, but soonest. So as you can see, the animals are doing very well. Just had its injection. I want you guys to guess, how many piglets do you think this is going to farrow? Comment in the comment section. Tell me how many you think they are going to farrow. Let me see. Message me via WhatsApp 080-588-11642. I'm going to be holding a free class like I said previously. Make sure you message me via WhatsApp to be a part of this class, or even join the WhatsApp group where the class will be holding. I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section and the in the description of this video. Join to be a part of this class. Benefit from the knowledge I have to share. Okay, so this is the sow. It's very healthy. Let me show you another one. Then this is another sow. This one is the black one. This one is going to farrow, I don't know when, but soonest. By next month it should. This one is very huge and tall. I like this one because of its height. It has a very huge height. Let me show you another one. Pig farming, one of the things about pig farming is that they are prolific. Once you know what you are doing, once you get the drug aspects right, the feeding aspect, the breeding aspect, you get so many things, like you enjoy so many things. So guys, I'm going to cut the video short. Feel free to message me via WhatsApp 080-588-11642, as I have other things to get started with. This is the sow. Very okay. Then this one is the sow that I'm expecting to farrow. It is going to farrow before the first week of next month ends. It's going to farrow. It's a very, very big sow. Check it very well. Healthy and sound. You can see that, right? By next month it should farrow. I have a sow that I'm expecting to farrow very soon. Let me show you. This one will farrow before next month ends. You can see the mammary gland is already distended. Very, very healthy, sound, big, everything. This is one of the things I like about pig farming business. It is highly prolific once you know what to do and do the things at the right time.